Hello, good morning, my dear children. How are you? Okay, today we are having some coordinative activities and it will be more based on jumping activities actually. And it is for the skeleton, you know, it will be affecting more on your bones, but it is all not heavy jumps. It will be all simple jumps where you will be having a lot of fun in that activity. So we'll be doing that only. So later when you can, you know, like this is for actually the mind is that, you know, like it is for your bones mainly, which can trigger your even growth. You understand? Without injuring any part of your body or like that, or any joints like that, we'll be making mild jumps. Understand? That is what we are going to do today. So first, before that, you know, like first let us do some warm up, some exercises, you know, for stretching and mobilizing and all those things. Then only we will go for that activity. Okay? So are you ready for that? Okay. Okay, then let us start our warm up now. Okay, come on. Come on, keep jogging. Yeah, like that. Yes. Yeah. You can do all these activities. Okay. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yeah, this is all very mild, nothing hard, like very easy way of doing it, you know. It is like going like, you know, in the woods, you know, with there are a lot of bushes, you know, like so you will be just moving like that and all those things. Like that you will be moving, you know. So our warm-up will be like this only today. Every day, every time, you know, simply making some running and like that. Let us have some fun. You know, otherwise there is, what is that? You know, it gets monotonous every day, the same old thing what we are trying to do. Yeah. Yes, very good. Very good. Yeah. Yes. Yes, very good. Are you tired now by doing this much? Arey. Yeah, everybody is doing like that as if they are very tired. Okay, relax. Very good. Anjana is laughing when I say so. Okay, come on. Even Priscilla also laughing. Okay, come on. See the boys, how smart they are. Just watch them. Okay. Yes. Yeah, go for sideways, yeah? Yes. Go for sideways. Very good. Yes. Try to have rhythm. Abhishek, and when you move, there should be rhythm. Try to keep distance, don't be so closer. Try to keep distance, yeah. Change and go. Yes. Look straight always, Priscilla. When I say straight, Priscilla will know that, you know, like she is at fault. Okay. Yeah, just walk around. Yeah. This is low skip jump. Low skip, yeah. Or low knee skip, you can call it. Low knee skip. Yes. Yeah. Always try to keep the body more erect and then go. Yeah. Yes. That's good. Yeah. Just cross, you know, like you cross over. You can say cross over. Otherwise we call it karaoke. Or, you know, like we will say that crossover. That is, you know, like yes, that's way. Yes, it's crossover. Very good. You are all like big athletes, you know, like very smart athletes. Very good. You are not small children. You are big athletes. Okay, that's very good. Priscilla and Anjana is fighting and, you know, they are competing. Who is the best? Very good. Okay. Okay, children, let us have some mild, mobilization, some stretching exercises. Okay? Yeah, just all those things, like yes. Priscilla is very serious today. The face. Yes. Anjana is okay, little only, but Priscilla now very smart. Okay. Now you are looking pretty. Very good. Keep it up. Boys are otherwise also they are handsome. Okay. Come on. Yeah, a light stretch for your chest. Yes. And for your shoulders too. Yeah. Yes, that's good. Yeah. But Surya is little lazy today. Surya is doing but little lazy. Okay. Yeah. Alternate arm circle. Yeah. Good. Yeah, take the leg also. Yes, very good. See, this is what coordination is all about. Oh, wonderful. That is right. Oh, wow. I never expected that you are so smart. Very good. Keep it up. Very good. Now Surya is active. Okay. Yeah. Just, sideways actually that is. Yes. That is good. Yeah. Yeah, little relax. Everybody, little relax. Little relax. You can take some deep breath. Yes. Yeah. Yes, good. Yeah, you can take a lot of breath in and breathe out. Yes. When you breathe in, your stomach should be full. A lot of air should go in. Inhale and exhale. Yes, like that. Yes. Let us see how many can hold so. Yeah. Very good. Oh, wonderful. Very good. You are all smart, very smart children. It's very good. Yes, very good. That is good. Yes. Everybody is having very good flexibility over the shoulders. Yes. But when you go and do Namaste, don't do like this, okay? They will see your back. Don't do this. I will say this is only an exercise. But tomorrow morning, don't go to somebody and say Namaste like this, okay? Come on. And don't give excuse saying that this is COVID, that is why I am doing so. Okay. Yes, like that. Yes. Very good. Come on, everybody, Joe. Yes, good. Yeah. Yeah, alternate toe touch. This is called alternate toe touch. Just look at your palm when you go. Look at your palm. Yes, very good, Surya. Yes. Without bending your knee, that's a very good one. Yeah. Yes. It's a very good exercise. It stretches your leg muscles, back of your leg muscle. Then it will also stretch your trunk. It's a wonderful exercise. Yes, it seems to be so simple, but it is a good exercise. Alternate toe touch. Okay? Now, yes, like that. knee should be straight. Yes. Always try to move from the hip. Don't forget, you can do. You don't listen my comment and all. You take your own time and do it. Yes. Yeah. Okay, again, a trunk twist from the hip. You see? Yes. Yeah. Yes. See that? See how my trunk is twisting like that. Just watch, like, okay. Come on, everybody, try. Yes. Without, like if you can go back like that without raising your hip, then it is very good. By keeping the hip down here. Yes, like that. Both sides do. Don't be lazy. You can do 1 or 2 times more. There is nothing like that. You have to do only 1 time. Okay. I think everybody is lazy today. What happened? Come on. Yes. Yes. Yes, So this exercise you can do, you can sit like this for hours. Yeah. Now it is good exercise, this one. Because you can sit idly like that for a long time. Come on. Yes. Yes. As if we are holding somebody so close. Yes. Yes, very good. Abhishek is very good. Surya is also becoming better only now. All his laziness is gone now. Yes. See, this exercise, how many times you want to do, you will do. Isn't it? Because it is a simple exercise. Okay. Come on, keep your legs wide apart. And try to go down and touch. Try to go and touch far. Yes. Come on, everybody, come up. Go for relax. Just move around, everybody. Just move around. Okay. Today, like I have told you, everything will be jump-based training today. So we'll be having some mild jumping activities. As I told you, it is all good for your joints. You understand? And because you are giving some tapering, some some tapping effect for your joint, it will start growing well. You know that it is good for the bones also. But we don't do too much. We will be doing light only, so that it will help you for bone growth. Okay, so. This is all good, later when if you all becoming good jumpers, it will be always good for you. Okay, come on, let us start. I will show you how to do this activity. Come on. Okay, ready? I will show you now. Just watch how I do. There. See that? Try to keep your back more straight. All your body should be straight when you do that. Come on. Come on. Come on, do that. Yes. Oh, very good, Praskila. Your toe movement was very good. Oh, even Anjana is also. Yes, very good. Oh, look straight, Monet. Look straight. Okay, that's good. Okay, everybody try. Come on. Yes, come on, everybody. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Come on, Come on. Come on. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Okay. See, this is what, like next I will show you another jump, what we call the lateral jump. Just watch me how I do. Every time looking straight, see watch me, like how I'm doing. Try it. Yes. Yes. You will go forward, backward, okay? Yes. You will go that side, then you will come back in the same rhythm. Okay? Come on, try, let me see. Yes. 1. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Try to control your body. Try to control everybody. Keep it back more straight. Yes. Yes. Keep your back more straight. Yes. 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 Oh, very good, Anjana. Very good. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Try. 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 Try your best. That's all. Yes. Very good, Abhishek. Oh, you are doing very good. Yes. Very good. Abhishek is very, very good. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. Let me see. Surya, you compete with Abhishek. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. The best one. The best one. Come on. Da, 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 da. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. One more time. One more time. Like you can try. Yes. Very good. Come on. Come on. Try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Come on. 1, 2, 3, na 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 na. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come on. Tangi taka taki taka tangi taka ta 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 ta. Tangi taka 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 tangi taka ta. Okay, very good, very good. Next, next, next. Toto, toto. Toto, 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 toto. Okay, okay. Come on, come on, come on, everybody, relax. Yeah. Yes, very good. Very good. Yeah. Relax, relax, relax. Just move around a bit, please, everybody. Come on, come on, just move, just joke, just joke. Everybody is laughing, like what the coach is doing, all those things. Come on. Relax only, like no need of running around and all. You can joke around. It is not around means, like this circle and all. You can do wherever you want. Okay. 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 So now what we are going to do, like a drill called 180 jump, 180-degree jump. Okay, so we it will be almost 5 meters. Okay, if you want to keep little lesser also it's possible. If you want to keep little more also it's okay. But it all depends upon your capacity. Okay, so now what we are going to do is 180-degree jump. Okay, I will show you how to do that. Come on. See that how we are doing? Okay, just do that one. Let me see. Yes, yes. It should be always on the line. Yes, very good, very good. Always try to focus on the hip. For the turning, you focus on the hip. Focus on the hip. Yes, focus on the hip. Focus on the hip. Focus on the. Oh, very good, very good. Everybody's doing very good. Come on, give it up. 180 degree. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, very good, very good. Come on, come on. Next. Yes, 180. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, very good, Abhishek, very good. You are good. Come on, let me see. Very good, very good. All 180 degree you have to turn. Cool. Okay, very good, very good. Come on, let me see. Yes. Focus on your hip. Yes. Every time, focus on the hip. Like Miss Kila. Okay. Focus on the. Very good. Oh. But little more jump is possible, Surya. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Okay, come on. Chaka. Yo. Tete, 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 tete. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Relax, relax. Okay, okay, okay. Now the next drill, what I'm going to do is prancing, and after that we will be going for galloping also. So first we will be doing 1 or 2 times prancing, okay? Everybody will be trying that, and I will show you how to do that one. Okay, everybody be on the side. Okay. Yes. See children, like whenever I am doing, you should come little this side. Then only you can watch me, If you stand there, how can you watch me? Okay, come on, you try. If you are doing wrong, I will correct you again. Okay, take the hip again every time. Take the hip. Take the hip. Take the hip. Take the hip. Hip there. Never bend the hip, Anjana. Okay, come on. Let me see. Priskila. Let me see. Okay. Good. Look straight. Take the hip. Take the hip. Take the hip. Very good. Okay. Surya. Okay, very good. Keep it up. Come on, guys. Very good. That's good. Yeah, very good. Oh, Abhishek is very good. Okay. Next is, okay, that's enough. Now I will show you the galloping, okay? Just watch me how I'm going to do that exercise, okay? I will show you how to do that one. Everybody go to the side. Yeah, be there. Watch me. This is how you do it. Yes. Yeah. You can. Yes. See that. Yeah. You can see that as we call it galloping, we call it skip jump, we call it all those things, okay? Okay, now we will gallop or we will skip jump. Both are the same. Okay? Come on, try. Come on, try that. Okay, come on, next. Everybody has to be very smooth. Very good. That's the way. Come on. Yes. See, watch. Watch how he's doing. Yeah. Okay, you can keep little more distance. Okay, you can keep little more distance like that. I've made it. Okay, which is better. We will have one more time. I want to see everybody doing good. Come on, let me see. Come on, this time better. Yeah. Wow. Bien bad, that's the way. Wow. This is what is galloping. That is what. Look straight where the hip is now. Come on, Anjana. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Come on, let me see. Come on. Okay. Come on, ready. Yes. Very good. Keep it up. Yes. Take the hip. Oh, better. That's one. That's very good. Everybody go for jog around. It is not going around. You can be inside, but try to keep distance. Everybody go. Okay, come on, keep it up. Keep jogging. That's very good. Keep jogging. Yes. Walk around. Like little bit. Walk around. Yeah. Yes. Take some deep breath, everybody. Take some deep breath. Yeah. Breathe in and breathe out. Yeah. When you come up, you should take the breath in, and when you go down, you should leave the breath out. Yes. And when you come up, fill your stomach completely. When you come up, fill your stomach and then come down. Yes. Inhale and exhale. Take the whole breath in and leave the whole breath out. Okay then. Okay. Now what we are going to do is square hurdle jump. Okay. You will be keep on jumping on all the 4 hurdles which are kept there. Okay. So as I've told you before, like most of the activities today we'll be doing on jumping activity. It is good for both the muscles and the bones also. I have told you before also. It is good for both the bone and the muscles. Okay. Come on, I will show you how to do that one. Just watch me. Okay. Yes. Did you see that one? There is that. Okay. Come on, who will try first? Let me see. Who have the guts to do first? Who wants to do first? Let me see. Okay, come on. Tuck, 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 tuck. No problem. It's okay. Turn. Yes. 1. Yeah. Jump, turn. Yes, very good. Okay, next. Praskila. You are doing better than Anjana. Come on. Tuck, 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 turn. Oh, very good. Try to keep the body always straight. Taka. Okay, very good. Come on. Yeah, that's the one. That's the way. Next again. Okay, come on. Next, who is the next one? Come on. Come on, naga. Come on. Ding. Okay, better. Come on. Hey, better. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Oh! Come on. That is the way. Come on. Yeah. Very good. Oh, it's over? Okay, okay. You want to try once more? Okay. If you are interested, okay. Taga. Very good. Come on. Yes. That's the way, right? That's the way. Very good. Okay. Relax, everybody go for jog. Come on, everybody. Don't be in a circle like that, like you be up, like you be on your own. No need of following anybody just like that, like you feel relaxed. Okay, walk around, please. Okay, do some calf stretches and all nicely. Little calf stretches. Everybody go for some calf stretch. Yeah. Straight also. You can bend your knee also. Both the knees bend and also that you can do. Both the knee bend also you can do. Okay. Okay, now both the knee bend and you can do. Yes, that's good. Try for both the legs like that. Maybe 1 or 2 times you try to do. 1 or 2 times. Yes. Very good. Okay, relax. Jog around again. A little bit. Okay. Okay. Okay, come on. Yes. Come on. Yeah, that's good. That is good, okay. Okay, next is like another interesting drill. What we are going to do, it is called hopscotch. Hopscotch we call it. Okay, like normally like all small girls, all small boys, and all they play, like this game. Okay, so what we are going to do is, I will show you how to do that activity, and accordingly everybody have to follow me. Okay, just watch me properly how I am doing. Okay, Surya, just go that side. Okay. Just watch how I am doing. Tuck. Yes. Whenever you go to the last column, you have to turn and then keep on. Try. Okay, you think that you should stop nowhere. It is to be a continuous movement with a lot of rhythm. Okay? Come on, try everybody. Come on. Yes. If I put music, like you will be doing wrong, so I am not putting music. Okay, come on. Good. Yes, very good. Come on, next. Okay. Nobody should touch the line. Okay, everybody has to do 4 times. Okay. Yes. Good. Come on, next, Surya. Come on, yes, good. Oh, Surya, very good, Surya. You are doing very good. Oh, very good. Come on, that's good. Keep it up. Yes, very good. Well done, very good. Everybody is doing good. Okay, come on, faster. Last column, be careful. Okay, come on, let me see. Okay, good. Okay, well done. Yes. Come on. Yes, well done. That's good. Come on. Yeah. Okay, come on, once more. Come on. Nowhere you should stop. Everywhere you should watch. Think, like it will even improve your brain. Okay. Very good. Come on, use your brain also, like that is what. All the coordinative activities, it will improve your brain also. Very good. That is good. Children, okay. Children, that, I want to say something. Whenever you are doing these activities, you think about it. That means, see, I tell you, when the parachute starts working only when it opens. Otherwise, what will happen, So you always make the brain to work, when you are doing this activity. So it's a coordinated activity where, like there are 2 columns, 1 column. So the brain has to give information. So you make the brain to work. That is very important. Understand? So it will improve you are developing your brain also in a better way. Okay, thank you. Okay, relax. Everybody relax. Move around, please. Just. Come on. Good side vision all. Okay. Do a little stretches also. A little bit stretches also. Yes, like that. Yeah. Yes. Make your calf also a little stretch like that. Calf also stretch. Yes, like that. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Yeah, down also you stretch. Yes. Bend you both the knee, Surya. Look straight. Why you're looking down? Again. Priscilla, don't look. I never want to see you looking down. Okay. 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 Relax, relax. Okay. Now, we are going to have some fun again. Okay. Don't say that I am tired. Okay. You can have some fun. But also, you will be improving your capacity, Okay. So what we are going to do is, it's an obstacle run actually. But there, we are giving little focus on. Okay. So you'll be crawling down, you'll be doing some high jump, you'll be doing straight jump, you'll be doing straight jump, you'll be doing 180-degree jump in between. All the stuff you'll be trying to do. Understand? So this is what we are going to do now. So I don't crawl through the chair and all. I don't do that one, but I will show you a little bit how to do that one, so that you can do far superior than what I can do. I know that you will be doing much better, but I will show you the order how to do that one. Okay? Come on, just watch here. Just watch here. Yeah. Yes. Then go. Yes. Under. And there it is purely high knee lift. Yes. Then then leg turn. Then the straight jump. Okay. Then again high knee lift. Okay. There we go. Side jump. There. And again you will be doing. Again you will be crawling under. Then again there high knee lift. Then again you will be going down like that. Then you will be making, see, 180-degree jump. Yes. Then again you will be doing that one. And then you will be running. Yes, faster and finish it off. Okay. You will be running faster and finish it off. Okay. Hope you understood what I did now. Okay. I want to see that who will be doing better. So, but I will give you some more instruction. That is, you see, first, you will be running over the hurdle. After that, you will be crawling. Then on the hoops, he will be doing high knee lift. When the first man reaches the first hoop, then only the second man should start. Otherwise, you will collide. Okay, you have to understand that. That's the way. Only when first man reaches a hoop, the second man should start. Second man reaches the hoop, the third man will start. When the third man reaches the hoop, the fourth Priscilla will be doing. Okay, ready? It's all right. I hope you understood. Okay. Ready, start. Yes. Without touching the chair, you should. Okay, high knee lift. Okay, good. Yes, jump there, straight. Yeah. High knee lift. Do proper high knee lift. Sideways jump. You didn't do. Okay, no problem. Carry on. Come on. Sideways. Yes, very good, Surya. Come on, Priscilla. Come on, Anjana. Come on, high knee lift. Don't look down. Okay, come on, sideways. Okay. Come on. Yes, 180-degree jump. Yes, better. Very good. High knee lift, Surya. Okay, Anjana, come on. Keep your hip tall, Anjana, every time. Okay, come on, high knee lift. Keep your hip tall. Look straight. Okay, run fast and stop it. Yes. That 180-degree jump. Okay, come on. High knee lift. No. Okay. It's okay. Okay, relax for a while. We can do once more, okay? Just maybe, don't worry, everyone. Be very relaxed. Take some deep breath and all, you should feel very relaxed. Okay. Very relaxed. You should feel fresh when you go for the next repetition. Don't be tired. Okay, walk around, please. Walk around, everybody. Walk around. Yeah, you tie your shoelace. Okay. Don't look down, Priscilla. Always straight. Walk like a model. Like that. Yes, like a catwalk. Yes, Anjana, like that. Yes, it should be like a catwalk. Okay, that's good. That's good. Relax. Don't get tensed. Don't get tensed. Like you walk around. Just you feel happy. Like you don't get tired. Okay, just try to take do some deep breaths. Come on, let us see. Don't be too close. Everybody keep distance. Okay. Yeah. When you go down, you should breathe out. When you come up, you should take the breath in. Okay. Yes. Try to take a lot of air in. Okay. Relax. Okay. I hope that are you fresh now? Yes. So we'll do once more. It's a competition. Anjana and Priscilla has done little wrong. This time I don't want to say anything wrong. Okay, ready? See, Surya, he was the best in this one. Surya is a great boy. Come on, start. Ready? Start. Very good, Surya. Very good. Come on. Surya is good. Surya, high knee lift. Good high knee lift. Come on. Start. Yes. Come on, straight jump. Yes, that's good. Oh, this time Anjana is very good. Come on, high knee lift. Oh, very good. Okay, come on. No problem. Okay. Come on. Crawl. Okay, good. Okay, come on. Catch somebody who is in front. Okay, come on. Yes, good. Very good. Come on, keep it up. Oh, very good. This time, Anjana, you are better. High knee lift. Move faster. Okay. Come on, Priscilla. Come on, high knee lift, Priscilla. Yes, good, Abhishek, that's good. Oh, come on, very good. Okay, relax. Everybody relax. Hey, move this side and relax. Okay, relax. Just don't, you have your own, don't go follow somebody like that. You relax yourself, you feel. You have to feel fresh like that. You can come inside and jog also. It is not that you have to go around like that. You feel very fresh, Yes. Whenever you want to have deep breath, you can take deep breath. Not that what one is doing, everybody. You can do your own. So that you can think about what all I should do during my relaxation. Okay. Like that. You should know that what all you have to do for your relaxation. And to get regenerated and be fresh for the next activity. Okay, children. So, we have done a lot of activities. Now, see, I am going to leave you the way you want, okay. See, that is why I have given you this frisbee also. So you all can go and play. And you enjoy, the way you do it. And try to make the frisbee fly, and it should always come and land flat on the ground. Then that's the best way to do it. Okay, but anyway, whichever way you want, you can play. Just have some fun and enjoy yourself. Okay, come on, you can play for some 5, 6, 7 minutes or whatever it is. Okay, I am leaving you. I am not going to interfere, and I won't trouble you. It is your time. Okay, have fun. Okay. Ready? Go, carry on. Go and play. Okay, my dear children, that is enough playing. Today I am not going to involve in your warm down activity, your stretching activity. It is all left to you people. Whichever way you want to do, you do it. But I will be watching and I want to know how much you have learnt. What all, like every day I am teaching you something, I am coaching you. But I just wanted to leave you like that. I want to see that how you are doing exercises, how you take warm downs, whether you are taking it seriously or you learned anything before. This is all I want to know. Okay? So just like you can be under the shade, you can aramse go and stretch. Okay? Come on, everybody. Everybody keep the frisbee and go for stretching exercises. Yes. Okay, so I liked it. I was watching from far, like how you were doing that warm down exercises and all those things. Okay, it was okay. I liked it. This is what like you have to take the responsibility every time. It is not that every time the coach will be coming and do that, do this, like that. No, the coach has taught you so many things. Okay, so you have to be like that. It is not these responsibilities what you learned here that will be continued in whatever thing you do. So this is a learning place, that. Don't think that you are coming only just to play, have fun and go. No, you are learning a lot of things here. That is why, that is why I asked you, you go yourself and do the activities. And I just wanted to watch from far how you people are doing it. And I found that, okay, you were enjoying at the same time, you were responsible also. This is very good. I really liked it. Okay, so a very nice time we had together. Okay then, so we will be meeting tomorrow. Okay then, okay, bye. Okay, then bye. Okay, bye.